Hi everyone, just popped on to show you how to make a White Russian. Well, my version of a White Russian. Oh, and by the way, I'm here. So, you'll need vodka, coffee, it's a mock-up. I also put almond milk in, and the usual semi-skim milk. A spoon, the straw is optional, and of course glass. So what I do, and yes, I'm a bit drunk, I put in around about that much, where's the camera, of, oh that's a bit much, hang on, that much, quarter teaspoon, actually thrown a little bit more just for a little measure, and you're done with the coffee. So I'm going over there to just put in a tiny bit of water. I'm here, tiny bit of water just to melt the coffee. I will be back. This you can hear is the water. No shit chirp. Put in hot, 1 teaspoon. I can't show you it's a teaspoonful, so you'll just have to take my word for it. And give it a good stir. As you will see, all stirred. It's all melted. So I'm going to pop in some of this squirty cream. You can get the low fat one, it will be shit. So get the full fat one, it will be worth it. So shake it up, good squirt, give it a stir to cream it round, mix it in with the coffee. Just to give it a cream up. We're not done with that yet. We are not done with that yet. So the next thing I do, I put in some almond milk because it's really nice and nutty. And it makes for a good flavour. So I put in about 1/4 of a glass. And since when did I say glass and not glass? And also I pop in some long life semi-skim milk. You can use any kind of semi-skim milk. I really don't care. Doesn't matter. And also bring that up to around about there because we need room for the vodka. Otherwise this will not be a White Russian but a milky mess. So as you can see, I made an hole in that bottle already. Neil's a little bit, trust me, he has. And I'm going to put in the vodka. Now don't skimp on the vodka. Just don't. It's not worth it. You may as well have a strong one if you're having one. And that's that. As you can see, quite a good bit gone in. Give it a mix. And then the squirty cream comes back into play. Got a good squirty cream bit in there. Now this can go a little bit stodgy bit, but it doesn't matter, it all goes down the same way. You won't really be able to see that, but yeah, tiny bit lumpy, who cares? So, tiny bit of squirty, just a little bit more, give it a good mix. Let's pop in a dollop of vodka just to make it more sensible. There you go, not much in there, but plenty in the glass. Good mix. It is a little bit lumpy, but it goes nice and thick when it gets to the bottom. It's really lovely. There you go. The straw is of course optional. Pop that in the glass. And hello, have a little drink. Ah, that's a cheeky little number. So that's how I make White Russian. Ignore the night shirt with a dirty stain at the top, it happens. That is how you make this drink. If you haven't got the proper ingredients, but you have got the vodka. You're always there on a winner if you got the vodka. I will see you next time, a little bit less drunk. Goodbye, everybody.